You are going to love the 2019 GX 460. This 7-passenger utility vehicle is more powerful, capable, and versatile than ever before. Visionary in every sense of the word, the GX 460 boasts one of the tightest turning circles in its class, a suspension system that helps enhance your capability, and the best-in-class V8 fuel economy. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, power brakes, airbags, front knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.